Businesses earn $3 on every $1.5 spent on Google Ads. Do you know Google Ads convert 50% more than organic results? That's the power of Google Ads. Hi, my name is Faisal and I'm a certified Google Ads expert with over 4 years of experience in setting and managing highly profitable ads. Over the last 2 years, I have been working with a lot of businesses and have handled more than $1.5 million in ad spend and have produced tremendous results for them. Anybody can make Google ads by watching YouTube videos, but trust me, that's a waste of your time and money, and then at the end it's frustrating. Real Google ads are intent-based, targeted, and send quality traffic to your business. In this gig, I make sure before setting up ads, I do a competitor analysis and a keyword research using industry standard tools so that I can keep my ads targeted and can send most relevant traffic to your website. Plus, I also do Google Analytics and event tracking so that you can track your user behaviors and can form decisions in the future for your business. So, if you want to make ultimate growth for your business, connect now, shoot me a message, and let's talk business.